Little Quack by Lauren Thompson. Little Quack. Mama Duck had 5 little ducklings: Whittle, Waddle, Piddle, Puddle, and Little Quack. They all lived together in a nice, soft nest. But even Mama's littlest duckling was not so little anymore. "It's time to leave the nest," she said one day. "Come, little ducklings," Mama called. "Paddle on the water with me." The 5 little ducklings squeezed close in the nest. "No, Mummy," they cried. "We're too scared." "You can do it," Mama said. "I know you can." All at once, Whittle felt very brave. She jumped into the pond. Splish! "Look," she cried. "Look at me!" Now 4 little ducklings snuggled close in the nest. "Come, little ducklings," Mama called again. "Paddle on the water with me." "No, Mummy, we're too scared," cried Waddle, Piddle, Puddle, and Little Quack. "You can do it," Mama said. "I know you can." 1 duckling in the pond. 1. Then Waddle felt very brave. He plopped into the pond. Splash! "Hooray!" he called. "Hooray for me!" Now 3 little ducklings clung close in the nest. "Come, little ducklings," Mummy called again. "Paddle on the water with me." "No, Mummy, we're too scared," cried Piddle, Puddle, and Little Quack. "You can do it," Mama said. "I know you can." 1, 2, 2 ducklings in the pond. Then Piddle, for a moment, felt very brave. She wiggled into the water. Sploosh! "It's fun," she cried. "It's lots of fun." Now 2 little ducklings cuddled close in the nest. "Come, little ducklings," Mama called again. "Paddle on the water with me." "No, Mama, no, we're too scared," cried Puddle and Little Quack. "You can do it," Mama said. "I know you can." 1, 2, 3. 3 ducklings in the pond. At last, Puddle felt very brave too. He leaped into the water. Splosh! "Wait!" he cried. "Wait for me!" That left just 1 little duckling in the nest. Just 1 little Quack. "Come, little duckling," Mama called once more. "Paddle on the water with me." "No, Mummy," cried Little Quack. "I'm scared. I'm just too scared." "You can do it," Mama said. "We know you can," said Whittle, Waddle, Piddle, and Puddle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducklings in the pond. Little Quack looked at the water. He sniffed the water. He touched the water with his foot. Could he do it? Did he dare? Suddenly, Little Quack felt just brave enough. He closed his eyes, then splish, splash, sploosh, splosh! Into the water he plunged. "I did it!" he cried. "I really did it!" "I always knew you could," Mama said. Then off they went, 5 little ducklings, proud as can be. Whittle, Waddle, Piddle, Puddle, and brave Little Quack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 ducklings in the pond. The end.